sex energy, a manifestation of Para Shakti, from the book called The Practice of Brahmacharya by Swami Shivananda. What is this sex energy? This sex energy is a manifestation of God. It is a Brahman in dynamic expression. It is Shakti, Para Shakti. We all know that this phenomenal universe is the activity of the cosmic power called this, which is illimitable, indescribable, and infinite. We call this cosmic power Para Shakti, Maha Shakti, Maha Maya, or Prakriti. Countless billions of universes come and go through the activity of this great cosmic energy. It is this cosmic energy, this Para Shakti, that manifests as the incredible energy of the sun, the energy of the planets, and the incredible speed at which they whirl in their own orbits. It is this cosmic energy which manifests as the power of gravity, as the power of the sun's radiance, as the power of all these great planets and heavenly bodies, as the power of the wind and other elements. If sometimes the wind is furious, it will even blow up houses. It is this cosmic energy which manifests as the power of fire, as the river's power of the volcano, as the power of floods, as the power of earthquakes, as the power of the Bhumi earth to bear mountains and seas. So earth, air, water, ether, all are nothing but the manifestation of this great power. It is the same power inside the seed that makes the seed grow into a huge tree. It is the power behind lightning and thunder. Any power that you see in this universe is the power of this great cosmic force, and it is this same power that animates all living beings, trees, plants, insects, birds, bees, reptiles, fish, and animals. It is the power of the lion, it is the power of the elephant, and it is the power of the brilliant intellect or genius of a Faraday, a Raman, or an Einstein. This self-same power abides in us and animates our entire body mechanism. digests our food, that makes our heart pump blood, that makes our lungs breathe, that makes our muscles and joints work, that makes our tongue talk and ear hear. It is this very power that is also present as the sex energy Inus. So, sex energy is part of the one indivisible great cosmic power present in the human individual. In its gross biological aspect, it is called the sex energy. In its subtler aspect, it is the energy of discrimination, the power of the intellect to analyze and inquire and ratiocinate. In a still subtler aspect, in its psychic aspect, it is the power of the Kundalini. And in its supreme aspect, it is nothing but Atma Shakti, because Brahma and Shakti are not two, they are the static and the dynamic aspects of one and the same principle. Therefore, the sex energy is nothing but the presence of the Divine Mother in all human beings. It is something divine, it is something sacred, and its supreme function in the scheme of things of the Creator is to keep going the universal process. The function of reproduction which is present in all nature, in all life. Without this subtle power of duplication or reproduction, all species will become extinct. So, the utilization of the sex energy for the purpose of reproduction is actually a sacred process for cooperating with Brahma, the Creator, and any other aspect of the sex energy is a secondary, lesser aspect. This energy or power is wisely utilized in a moderate and restrained way. Even after such utilization, a sufficient amount of it will be available for higher spiritual development. This gross biological energy is converted through yoga abhyasa into a subtler form. It becomes available for deep contemplation, reflection, and meditation. Manana, nididhyasana, and samadhi are enabled through the power of this conserved and converted energy, that is brahmacharya. successfully conserve and convert the sex energy into a higher form and utilize it for a higher spiritual purpose are included in the broad meaning of the term brahmacharya.